So if you know something specific about a niche which you feel कि ये किसी को नहीं पता, किसी ने observe नहीं किया, उसी में बात करो.
Yes.
So you're around 29 now. You have broken a lot of mindset. You have broken a lot of myths for yourself. I think this is a myth buster journey, I would say. अपने साथ हम खेल रहे हैं. अपने साथ हम खेल रहे हैं. So when did this sink in कि यार श्रेया 1.5 करोड़ कमा लिया यार 29 की I think in the last year you still made more than 50 lakhs. And that is when you completed your 2 crores, and you are doing this with product management now, leadership role, which is giving you a good amount of monthly paycheck. What was the monthly thing that you were earning in the last year?
It was a little bit above 4.5 to 5 lakhs per month.
Yeah.
So I unlocked that, which I think I've never done before that, and didn't even know people could do it, and especially not coming from an IIM, IIT, and any fancy college, BTech, MBA, nothing of that sort. So
no IIT, no IIM. In fact, I think you left IIM. You got selected for it. So you can call yourself officially that I was worthy of IIM, but I rejected IIM.
I did not go forward with it. Yes.
Yeah, it's awesome. So you were earning around 4.5 to 5 in the last year. Uska aadha kar do, that is where I started.
Okay.
So it's like that, and I'm still humbled with that thing कि यार बेचारा इंसान इंजीनियरिंग करता है, ये सारी चीजें करता है, and what like the amount you were earning, it's very humbling. Why I would tell is it's an annual package for a lot of people. Even half of that is an annual package for a starting engineer in India still, which is pathetic, but it is. So it's around 3.25 is what people still start with. Like I don't know, this 6% का inflation बढ़ता जाता है, लेकिन salary नहीं बढ़ती.
बढ़ती नहीं, 10 साल से ये सुन रहे हैं, 3 लाख package.
25,000 से start होता है engineering. But I feel like this whole job sector will get extinct in a while. मतलब the things will transition more because now people have the flexibility. COVID ने काफी ज़्यादा help कर दिया to break some taboos कि यार बंदे घर से काम नहीं कर सकते हैं यार, बंदी ने 2 करोड़ कमा लिया. कर सकते हैं. I want to go back to just summarizing this. I think I would let you summarize it, but before that, एक चीज मैं श्रेया की हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा. I think she's very meticulous and she has tracked this whole progress. मतलब हो सकता है आपने 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा भी कमा लिए होते हैं, but आपको पता कैसे चलता है कि यार कमाए भी है. Right. So I want you to highlight the importance of firstly being patient and then tracking your progress. I think you have an Excel.
Yes, I have an Excel sheet which is very in depth, and I of course I spend some time on my finances every month. So every month I put like 1 hour on my calendar to just make sure that my money, that whatever I have earned is also getting some respect and it's getting to the right place. So you put so much effort in earning the money, but you don't end up taking care of it, then what's the point? So respect it and make sure that you're putting it to the right investment channels, whatever they could be for you. And next, I also want to share that I've been tracking, like, I think I did not start tracking it back then, but I think 5-6 years ago, what I did was I wanted to see how much monthly money how have I grown from that. There were some months stagnant, but at this point in time, in the last 10 years, I've made my money like 550 times. The monthly pay that I
mentioned to me. 2014 it was around 1,000.
Yes.
2024 it's like 550,000 के आसपास. So 550
500
times is like इतनी कौन growth करता है यार, तुम beat कर रहे हो market को. That's insane यार. That's very much insane. I don't know. मेरे को तो सिर्फ इतना पता है मैंने credit पे कितना उड़ाया है. Like that's the only tracking that I've done. I wish I would have met you earlier and I would have maintained this. I think this whole journey of meeting people have given me a lot of wisdom. I think this is the easiest way to, I think, grow as a person, is to meet people who are doing better than you. I think I have learned a lot from you in terms of planning and in terms of the direction, in terms of, like, I know it's possible because Shreya is here and she has done it. So thank you for breaking that taboo for a lot of people. I think your audience follows you for like letting them know कि अरे आप Thailand से काम कर सकते हो, आप कहीं Singapore से काम कर सकते हो. And it's not necessary that if you're a girl you cannot leave your country. If you're a girl you cannot earn. I think I have a huge respect for you when I spoke this line is because you're not just breaking one taboo of earning things. You come from Chandigarh, from a humble background. A lot of people judge girls for this thing कि यार इनका तो potential उतना नहीं होता जितना, because there is a market variation in the pay of girls and in the pay of guys, right? And I would respectfully acknowledge that, right? I'm not gonna hide it. And you have broken the taboo कि what a woman who's dedicated can earn on her own, independently. You did not had a guru to guide you here, right? You were just constantly, damn it, figuring it out. Think about it. Think about
That's
it. Like
true, yes.
I like when I speak this line, I also think like figure out तो मैं भी कर ही रहा हूँ. I think life is like that.
Yes.
आपको एक बार में नहीं पता चलेगा. We cannot give you one thing that will definitely work for you, but I can give you a path that will definitely let you figure out what works for you. Right?
Give you all the resources.
Yeah.
And
If I would have never thought I would become a founder. Like now I have a firm, Social Symphony, and it started with giving consultation on strategy. Then I have my own podcast team. तो वो podcast team इसमें काम आ सकती है. How did I realize? Because I tried something. अच्छा ये चल रहा है. This figuring this thing out. Then I said, okay, मैं retainer पे ला सकता हूँ clients को, right? I can provide them branding. I can provide them distribution. This is what people want. This is what founders want. They don't have time. They have money. I can save that time. They will give me money for that. It's simple exchange, right? But I would tell this, like Neeraj had no idea. Like by this time my Josh is also released now. So like एक साल पहले कौन सोचता है यार, like 14th August I was like Dream with Neeraj बनाया, उस पे मैंने वीडियो डाला, and now 14th 2024 my Josh comes out. Like I would, in my wildest dream, Shreya, in my wildest dream I would not have thought it, but I wrote it. But I wrote it. So it's like being a founder, becoming a speaker, coming into top 100 speakers in the country. A lot of things happen. Why? Because you gave yourself a chance. That is what I spoke on Josh as well. You give yourself a chance. Shreya gave herself a chance. Like, ठीक है, I am हो, ये हो, वो हो, degree हो. Why are you limited by the notions around you? Like, if you were limited by the notions around you, आज तुम होते ही नहीं यहाँ पे ना हम podcast में बात कर रहे होते.
बिल्कुल.
How many countries have you traveled?
I'm close to 20 now.
Close to 20.
Yes.
Right. ये भी नहीं होता लोगों से भाई. By the age you not like.
I agree.
मैंने भी नहीं किया भाई. To be very honest. But with your help I'm gonna do this.
Yes, of course. I'm there to support you for that.
मतलब मैं literally Shreya is my go-to person in terms of travel. Obviously you follow her for please check her out on Insta. She is doing amazing. The last time that we spoke, she literally had 0 followers. I think the page was not existent. Right? Now I think she have crossed 20 or something around
25, 26K. Yes.
Amazing. Like it's just been 3 months, right?
Yes. I think 4 or 5 months. 4 or 5
And
months.
she has literally planned this. Like guys, I'm telling you, this lady is a really a very nice planner, but it's not the planning. I think plan काफी लोग कर लेते हैं. It's the execution. I know how hard it is to consistently put the content, whether it's you, whether it's the team, figuring it out, what works, what does not work. I think अभी मेरे को कॉल याद है श्रेया के साथ में, like नीरज कैसे करना है मेरे को बता देना इस चीज में थोड़ा सा.
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
And we met at how to Instagram, right?
Yes.
तो वो कोर्स भी Instagram के ऊपर ग्रो करने के बारे में ही था, right? And I was like, ठीक है मेरा Instagram तो ग्रो हो गया है. At the point of time when I bought that course, I already had 40,000 followers on Instagram, right? The only reason I bought it कि ठीक है चलो इसमें से और कुछ learn करने मिल सकता है.
शायद कुछ मिल जाए और.
Because I'm helping people strategize, right? So why not learn more and more about it? So being humble and always understanding there is something you can always learn. Makes you a unique person. It gives you the growth that people don't have. I think we have covered a lot. I would let you summarize this whole journey. What are the key things that you wanna make people remember?
I think I want to give some disclaimers first.
Done.
First, it's not going to be glamorous. I mean, अभी का लगता है जब हो जाती है सारी चीजें तब लगता है कि यार ठीक है, this girl is living the life. But of course, you know. But of course, it never happened in the first, I think, the longest time. It did not happen back then. And the second disclaimer is, it's not going to be linear, right? It's going to be full of ups and downs, things running in parallel, crossing paths and whatnot. So maybe something that you were doing is ending and something good is coming to a start, but you don't even know that it's going to grow into something bigger. So it may not be always linear and glamorous. Right, but to still simplify and break the whole thing down, if I want to give you a recipe, what I would do, I think it would be almost 3 to 4 months of effort. Very, very realistic. If you're super fast, it can happen in 2 months too. Okay, so how you start, I think if you're already, let's say, in your journey where you have figured out your skills, you've figured out, okay, what I want to do next professionally, that's amazing. But if you are at a younger stage, you have, of course, time, but take that time to experiment, take that time to learn. Now, how to learn? Try different things. Try to join companies on a pro bono basis or on Internships. Try to reach out to your network and try to give them your time as a resource and see what works for them, what works for you. Try to also engage into a lot of communities. So if you're already, you know about the industry that you want to work in, then try different roles. If you already know the role that you want to work in, try different industries. But there, at some point in time, you will discover that, you know, cross section, the intersection of industry and the role that you will be growing into, deeper into. But take your time to figure it all out. So I think that is the first step that you can take if you're just starting off. ओके सो जैसे इंडस्ट्री में हो गया, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप आईटी में जाना चाहते हो, आप कंस्ट्रक्शन में जाना चाहते हो, आप कंटेंट में जाना चाहते हो, आप किस चीज़ में जाना चाहते हो, आप वो आराम से टेक योर टाइम, फिगर इट आउट, टॉक टू पीपल, ठीक है. उसके बाद रोल में, अच्छा आप कहाँ कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहते हो, आप किसी नीश रोल में जाना चाहते हो, आप कोडर बनना चाहते हो, आप वीडियो एडिटर बनना चाहते हो, या फिर आप इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हो, वहाँ पर भी टेक योर टाइम टू फिगर आउट द रोल एज वेल. इवन इफ यू आर डन विद योर कॉलेज, स्टिल यू हैव टाइम. डोंट बी इन अ रश कि मुझे जल्दी से अच्छा पैकेज चाहिए, कुछ चाहिए. टेक योर टाइम बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. सो डोंट टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप इन अ रश, ठीक है. तो टेक योर टाइम, मनी विल कम. ओके, व्हेन यू नो यू आर गिविंग वैल्यू, देन द मनी यू विल अट्रैक्ट इट,
डेफिनेटली,
ठीक है. उसके बाद आपका अगर वो वाली चीज़ फिगर आउट हो गई है, ठीक है, तो वो अपनी डिमांड के साथ भी मैच करनी है. तो सप्लाई और डिमांड को समझना जरूरी है मार्केट में. वो कैसे समझोगे आप? अगेन, टॉक टू पीयर्स, टॉक टू पीपल हु हैव ऑलरेडी अकम्प्लिश्ड समथिंग इन दैट रोल वेयर यू वांट टू वेंचर इनटू, ठीक है. उनसे आप बात कर सकते हो, उनसे आप पूछ सकते हो कि अच्छा ठीक है, आपको नेक्स्ट 5 years कैसे दिख रहे हैं, आपका भी रोल कैसा है, आपको क्या क्या रिसोर्सेज लगे वहां तक पहुंचने में, ठीक है. वो चीज़ को आप कंप्लीटली ब्रेक डाउन करके समझो, अलग अलग लोगों से अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव्स लो, अलग अलग साइज की कंपनीज, अलग अलग जोग्राफीज भी हो सकती है. यू कैन टॉक टू पीपल आउटसाइड ऑफ इंडिया ऑल्सो. आप सिर्फ अपने बबल से, मतलब बबल में मत बैठे रहो. देर आर प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक ADP List, there are platforms like LinkedIn. You can just reach out to people and ask for feedback.
Like I messaged you, you're here.
Yes. So don't hesitate. Try to draft a nice message. Try to share what you are wanting to get from them, and just ask for a virtual coffee or 15 minutes of time, and try to get their experience. Try to get whatever they've learned in the last many years in 15 minutes, whatever they can give you. Try to get that. ठीक है. तो वो जब आप सीखोगे, आपके पास पर्सपेक्टिव्स बिल्ड होंगे अलग अलग लोगों के, ठीक है. उससे आपको थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी मिलेगी कि क्या चीज़ नहीं करनी, एटलीस्ट वो तो आप जिसको बोलते हैं क्रॉस आउट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम, नाउ यू नो योर स्किल्स, नाउ यू नो द इंडस्ट्री दैट यू वांट टू गेट इनटू, ठीक है. उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे? टेक सम टाइम टू शार्पन योर स्किल्स, ठीक है. ChatGPT आपको बता देगा आप कौन से टूल सीखो, आप कौन से स्किल सीखो.
AI तो एग्जिस्ट करता ही नहीं था पहले, अब तो मतलब
अब तो आपको पूरा वो भी रोड मैप बना कर दे देगा.
हाँ, ChatGPT 4 भी फ्री हो गया.
तो लेट्स से अभी आज की डेट में मैं फॉर एग्जांपल सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर बनना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा मुझे नीच डाउन करना चाहिए कि ठीक है, मैं एजुकेशन कंटेंट के लिए सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर बनना चाहती हूँ,
फाइनेंस, ट्रैवल, एनीथिंग,
ठीक है. तो अगर आप नीच डाउन करोगे, आप अपनी वैल्यू बढ़ा रहे हो, ठीक है. क्योंकि आपके लिए कुछ सेट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स हैं ऑलरेडी फिल्टर्ड आउट, एंड यू हैव टू रीच आउट टू देम, ठीक है. और उनको आप स्पेशलाइज्ड सर्विस दे रहे हो, उनको आप जेनेरिक चीज़ नहीं दे रहे हो, आप उनको उनके लिए स्पेसिफिक, उनके लिए सूट करने वाली चीज़ आप ऑफर कर रहे हो, ठीक है. तो उसके लिए पहले अपना आप स्किल्स बिल्ड करो. ऑफ कोर्स आप देख सकते हो कि सोशल मीडिया के लिए कौन से टूल्स आजकल चल रहे हैं. दोज ऑल्सो कीप चेंजिंग, सो स्टे अप टू डेट ऑन दैट. जॉइन सम कम्युनिटीज जस्ट लाइक वी डिड. So there are lots of communities for social media managers. There are Facebook groups, there are LinkedIn groups, there are Slack groups. There are lots of platforms like NAS का अपना platform है community. मतलब कितने आजकल तो अनगिनत हैं, ठीक है. But join those communities, try to stay in touch. Now there are tools also that you need to learn. For example, again, I'll just continue the example of social media manager. Hootsuite है जो आप सीख सकते हो, ठीक है. Then you need to learn some analytics tools also, so that you read the data that you're collecting as a social media manager. So there are these things that you will have to learn. ठीक है. ये हार्ड स्किल्स हो गई, हार्ड स्किल्स आपको सीखनी पड़ेंगी. सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में आई थिंक हमने पॉडकास्ट में पूरी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स के बारे में बहुत बात की है, कैसे अपने आप की स्किल्स आपने बेचनी है और सब कुछ करना है. बट येस, to give you a very clear plan of action on the soft skills part, make sure that you have a portfolio. A portfolio could be anything. A portfolio can be
it's
it could be anything. But it has to show, let's say आप अपने आप को क्लाइंट के शूज में इमेजिन करो, ठीक है, कि आप एक अब सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर को हायर कर रहे हो.
क्लियर मैसेज.
हाँ, तो आपको क्या चाहिए होगा सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर में? तो आपको क्या चीज देखकर खुशी होगी कि अच्छा ठीक है, इसने ये चीज कर रखी है ऑलरेडी. एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट गेट योर फर्स्ट क्लाइंट जो कि आपको पे कर रहा है, आप अपना फ्री में कुछ अपने आप ही केस स्टडी बना लो, अपने आप ही इमेजिन कर लो कि अच्छा ठीक है, अगर मेरा क्लाइंट ऐसा होता तो मैं क्या करती या क्या करता, ठीक है, तो उस हिसाब से आप अपना एक पोर्टफोलियो स्टार्टिंग में बना सकते हो, विच कैन इवन बी एन इमेजिनरी प्रोजेक्ट.
Yeah, it does not need to be a real client
Yes,
as well.
yes,
Like you can showcase
exactly.
them ki if I get a finance client, I would do this. If I get a travel client,
Exactly.
I think you can make even more than one. Like
Yes.
बना दो हर niche पे
बना के रख लो,
जिसको पसंद आ जाए भाई
उसको
travel
वो
वाले।
भेजो, उसको वो भेजो. एग्जैक्टली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट से अगर आप इवन एग्जिस्टिंग कोई पेज है ना, उसको
Yeah.
उठा के बता सकते हो कि अगर मैं इनकी सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर होती तो मैं ये चीजें
ये करती।
इंप्रूव करती.
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है, तो ये चीजें आप बनाकर रख सकते हो. दैट इज योर पोर्टफोलियो एंड इट शुड इंक्लूड द टूल्स दैट यू यूज. इट शुड इंक्लूड अ क्लियर प्लान ऑफ एक्शन बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. अगर पहले ऐसा है तो आफ्टर ये होना चाहिए, और इतने मेरा गोल होता है क्वालिटेटिव वाइज एंड क्वांटिटेटिव वाइज. ठीक है, तो वो दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स आप कवर कर सकते हो कि आप क्या रिजल्ट्स लेकर आओगे एज अ सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर फॉर दैट क्लाइंट. ठीक है, तो ये आपका बन गया पोर्टफोलियो. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यू वुड डू इज क्रिएट एन आउटरीच स्ट्रैटेजी. ठीक है, कहाँ पर आपके प्लेटफॉर्म्स होने चाहिए, कहाँ पर आपका डिजिटल प्रेजेंस होना चाहिए.
Basically marketing.
Yes, your own marketing. So it can be a portfolio, it can be somewhere where people are able to find you.
मतलब इसका कोई फायदा नहीं है कि तुम चाहे बहुत ब्रिलियंट हो अपने स्किल में,
But आप
लोगों
दिखाए।
को पता ही नहीं तुम्हारे बारे में, तो कैसे कांटेक्ट करेंगे,
Exactly.
कैसे तुम्हें पे करेंगे भाई, बताओ लोगों को.
So be out there.
Be out there. Absolutely. I think content हम कर ही क्यों रहे हैं? Like content, why people create content is to allow themselves to reach masses. I think that is the thing. I have touched now around 20 million plus lives in this past. मैं घर घर जाके भी नहीं कर पाता.
बिल्कुल सोच भी नहीं सकते हमारे सामने 20 मिलियन लोग बैठे हो.
Exactly. Like even for me, like 500 was a lot. 500 लोग सामने खड़े होकर चिल्लाएंगे तो भाई हिल जाता है बंदा. And I would give one interesting take in this thing, like you beautifully summarize it, ki take your time, understand demand and supply, reach out to people, work on yourself, showcase yourself, right? Entire roadmap. If I would do it like, if you are somebody who understands travel, like you understand travel, you understand freelancing, you understand remote work, so you know the nuances.
Yes.
That's your unique selling proposition. Right? A lot of people don't understand this कि चलो कॉफी सब बेच रहे हैं, अब आ गया बोबा टी. USP, ठीक है, मैंने क्या डाला, जो भी कर दिया भाई उसके अंदर. It is just a matter of choice whether you like it or not, but it's unique now. It's not just coffee. So if you know something specific about a niche which you feel कि ये किसी को नहीं पता, किसी ने ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया,
Yes.
उसी पे बात करो.
Yes,
उसी
exactly.
पे बात करो. If I would just go back into that shoes, if I'm 22, 21, I would definitely pick up SMM because it's trending. Then I would definitely start reaching out to people who are actually earning, because वो अगर वो खुद कमा नहीं रहा तो मेरे को क्या पैसा देगा. Then I tell them, then I will actually make a case study already.
Yes.
कि आप ये चीज कर रहे हो गलत, अभी आप ये कर लो, देखो आपको क्या फायदा होता है. And once they think, अरे जबरदस्त, now you help me do it, right?
Come.
And your unique selling proposition, whatever it is, travel, finance, personal development, whatever it is, go as deep as possible. As deep as possible.
Yes, yes.
Once you do that, nobody can replace you.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.